Well, hello there. How are you awesome people doing? Still got little Bud. It's on day 3 with him right now. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, I just want to remind everybody this is a daily vlog of trucking with Schmidt. At least when I'm in the truck, it's a daily vlog. Well, today we got about 425 miles till we get to Lamar's, Iowa. We spent last night, neither one of us can remember the name of the town, guys. I did have a subscriber park right beside me last night. Beautiful Peterbilt. I really liked his truck. Maybe he remembers the name of the town. It starts with a P. I do know that. We actually ended up taking a 12-hour break instead of just a normal 10-hour break.
I slept longer than him.
And he actually slept longer than me. We slept really good. I got a lot done. I got to everybody's comments on here. Thank you for all the comments. I love reading comments on here. You guys all rock. Have we said enough?
Yeah.
Have I told them what's in the trailer?
No.
No, I have not told them. Well, guys, a little recap. We picked this load up in Evansville, Indiana. It's a load of plastic. It's going up to Lamar's, Iowa. How about now? We good? Are you talking with your mouth full? No. All right, guys, we're going to get back to you. We're going to go get some highway time in. You be good now. Trust me. We'll be back. You be good. Be good. Trip's going pretty good so far, guys. I can't complain about anything. I am appreciating being in the truck right now. It's got a 98-degree temperature out with a feels like temperature of 105 today. It's very windy. I'm hoping the truck isn't talking a little bit too much to where you guys can't hear me. If so, we'll make it work. We'll try to modify it a little bit when we edit it. You know, last night I was messing. Yes, my little Bud. Hi. Last night I was messing around with, looking around on my Facebook page. I actually have 2 pages for Facebook on this, for this channel. You know, I started one up. It's just straight up Schmidt, or no, Trucking with Schmidt. I figured I would post my videos on there. Well, it turns out you cannot post your YouTube videos on there and just keep posting them because Facebook yelled at me and told me I was clickbait. So what I did is I turned around and I started up another channel called Trucking with Schmidt Vlogs. I can't help but think you want to be in this. Or come out here then. Get your butt over here. But I started it up as Schmidt, Trucking with Schmidt Vlogs. That one I posted all my videos on, and that seemed to work. No one's bothering me. And now I'm kind of thinking about switching things. I don't really know yet. I don't know how I'm doing that, but I know I'm going to keep Trucking with Schmidt vlogs open because it's a private group. And what I'm kind of hoping for someday with it is to get enough of you guys on there to kind of make it, how do you say, our own little group, in the wise of, you know, I'd really love to see, you know, like the truck drivers out here that are following this page, I'd really love to see your trucks. I would love to see what you guys are all driving out there for trucks. I mean, you know, if you're not a truck driver, you know, you're more than welcome to comment on that page. It's a private page. You have to be accepted into it. And I really think, I mean, don't you think, little bud, wouldn't it be nice to see what our fans, what our subscribers do in the fun time, or do for, what do they drive, stuff like that?
Yeah.
I really think that'd be kind of cool. So just a little reminder, if you guys are bored, I mean, I'm happy that you're just here with me on YouTube. That you guys make it really fun doing this. But if you're bored, jump on over to Facebook and follow along with Trucking with Schmidt, and then or throw you an invite to Trucking with Schmidt vlogs. That is the private group where I get to hear a little bit more about my subscribers. Just wanted to throw you guys in that a little bit. Wanted to talk about that just for a little bit while we're buzzing up and down the road here. You know, little bud, I had someone comment on here that he hopes, he can't wait till his son is old enough to ride with him, and he hopes he has as much fun with his kid, you know, together. What do you think makes it fun for us riding in the truck together? What do you find fun about riding in the truck with your old man?
Like the
Gotta talk loud.
the scenery, and it's fun just hanging out and having time with your dad.
It's fun that way?
Yeah.
You don't get spoiled at all? I don't do anything different for you that I wouldn't do at home?
Well,
The answer is no, because Mom might be
No.
watching this.
no.
Okay, no. Like I said yesterday, I literally love having these guys with me. If it's Little Bud, or if it's Tater Tot, or if it's even Warden. And a lot of you guys are new to the channel. If you're wondering who Warden is my wife. And I call her Warden because it's a funny ha-ha. It's not because, well, yes, she is the boss, but it's not because it's like, "Rawr, Warden," you know. It's just ha-ha. I kind of give everybody their own little nickname. You know, I got Little Bud.
Yeah.
I call my daughter Tater Tot. My wife is Warden. You know, I got my buddy I call Banker. I got my buddy I call California. You got their wives. You know, I got, you know, Interrogator. I call one of their wives Poopsie. I got Wild Bill. You know, I don't know if I've ever given Wild Bill's wife a nickname.
I don't know.
She's got a nickname for me, but I can't say it over the phone or over the camera. It's mean. It's very mean. As for me, no nickname. No one's ever given me one.
Dad.
Dad. You can call me Dad. We call me Dad.
Yeah.
Other than that, guys, the trip is going great. I got Little Bud beside me. The wind is blowing 100 miles an hour.
It is.
It is blowing. And it's a little warm outside, but we are lucky to be inside the truck with a working air conditioner.
And then when we get home,
What now?
we can jump in the pool.
Yes. Yes, when we get home, we are going to jump in the pool. Be back with you. all of you guys who think it's just so great me bringing little Bud with me, what's the most annoying sound in the world? Do it. Never put never put your blowgun over on the passenger side because, well, it's annoying. Well guys, we got the trailer unhooked. I'd have done something fancy, you know, set the camera up, pulled away, backed away, did all the walking and everything. Remember what I'm about to say. I love hot weather. It's 105 degrees up here in Lamar's right now. It's a hot 105 too. So I jumped out of the truck, unhooked it all, and jumped right back in. Didn't even think of you. I'm sorry. I do apologize. But right now, we're going to do a little countdown because I want to get to where we're going in a big hurry. Troy, will you help me do this countdown?
Yeah. Here. Okay. Yeah.
Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
On 3. 3, 2, 1. Never mind. We're still here. The flux capacitor did not work. Little Bud corrected me. He said, I said on 3. You can't go on 3. Okay, so what do I say now? On 1?
On 1.
On 1. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, guys, the magic place we were going is home. And we made it here fast, didn't we? What was it, 3 seconds?
Yeah.
What's going on there?
I don't know.
If you can tell.
Hi!
Good God. Come here, Jax. Come here. Camera shy. Get your head up here. See? That's my Jackie baby. He's camera shy. Alright guys, we had a great week. I loved it when little Bud got in with me. We succeeded in a lot of things. Right now we're just trying to finish this video up before we can go inside, and the dogs, between the dogs fighting and between the wife coming out here trying to get a screenshot and the daughter standing there staring at us, we're doing everything we can to finish this one up. Alright Bud, come here. What was the most fun thing we did today? Or this week?
Today?
This week, answer it up.
Make my fort.
Made your fort in the back of my truck. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna take a day off. We're gonna hit her, after that day off, we're gonna hit her hard again. Other than that, you guys be safe, and as always,
we'll see you. Oh gosh, I messed up. What is it again?
We'll see you next time.
We'll see you next time.